Hi guys, welcome to How to Solutions YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can upload video on Instagram without cropping. Before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you need to do is to open Instagram. Once you open Instagram, you simply need to click on the plus icon in the bottom and you can select any video from your gallery. So let me go into the videos and you can select any video so you can see that. And if you are going to post that video, you will not find any issue. Okay, so if you post, there is no option, but if you want, you can trim that, and then you need to click on next and you can simply post that video without any issue. But if you are going to post video onto the story, then this video will be cropped. So this is the process by which you can post video on YouTube, on Instagram without cropping. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.